Hello, this is Eric of Spark eStudio, and welcome to my solutions for freezing and crashing of Davinci Resolve. I'll try to make this quick as possible. This is for Windows, these solutions. I don't know if any of these will work for Mac. Two of them definitely are specific to Windows. Now let's get started. Spark eStudio. Yeah. The first step is go to Davinci Resolve shortcut. Right-click and go to Open File Location. From there, we right-click again and go to Show More Options, then go down to Properties and click on the Compatibility tab. When there, we're going to click on Run this program for compatibility mode for Windows 8 if your problem is startup before we even get to Davinci Resolve. If running in Windows 8 compatibility mode managed to make you boot into Davinci Resolve, try next time not using it and see if that resolved the problem. One aspect of choosing compatibility mode is the fact that everything runs a bit slower. Not a perfect solution, but once we enable compatibility mode, if it was freezing at the beginning, sometimes you have to load your project and then exit again and it may work just fine. At least that happened to me. The other solution for stability is run this program as administrator. Let's run Davinci Resolve. There is one other step, which I'm hoping will work so we do not have to run as administrator if you are actually getting into Davinci Resolve. Setting as admin privileges causes it that you can't slide footage on to your program. You're literally locked out of that. Now you have to go load manually. Now one thing we're going to notice is I can't drag media into the media pool, our timeline. That's because we're running in administrator mode. Now the third solution can solve that altogether for us if it works for you. Let's see if we can avoid that by going to playback, timeline playback resolution, and keep it as full, and if that will make your computer run stable. Subscribe to Spark eStudio and help this channel grow and get the word out. Now, if this didn't solve your problems, leave your comments below. There are different versions of Davinci Resolve and there are also different problems. For instance, let's say we had Davinci Resolve open and we had an SD card with our information and we remove the card. If you minimize Davinci Resolve first, it won't be a problem, but if you don't, sometimes you'll notice that your footage won't play back even once we put the card in until we reboot Davinci Resolve. Intel CPUs, 13th, 14th gen, a lot of them are frying themselves and becoming unstable over time. So make sure you also have the newest firmware so it doesn't happen to you on those CPUs. Just because it was stated by AMD themselves that 6000 MHz is a sweet spot for the 7000 series of CPUs, not all of them can actually do 6000 MHz. There's actually a good percentage that cannot and will never ever hit 6000 MHz. You can change the CPU and it could with one and not the other. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.